Before we begin to work on question 11.4, let's talk for a moment about capital gains. When we own something, say a house that we bought for $100,000, that thing may increase in value. Perhaps after 2 years the house is worth $125,000. That means that if we were to sell the house, we would make a profit of $25,000. But it's very likely that we do not sell the house after 2 years. And therefore, even though its value is increased, we pay nothing immediately in taxes. We do pay taxes when we finally sell. Suppose after 10 years the house is worth $170,000 and we do sell it. Then our capital, the thing we owned, the house, has increased from $100,000 to $170,000. We've made a profit or gain of $70,000 and we'll pay taxes on that gain. 2 points to keep in mind. First, we don't pay any taxes until we finally sell. And second, when we do pay taxes, the rate at which the government taxes capital gains will be different from the rate applied to ordinary income. Typically, in the United States, tax on capital gains is just 15%, while on income it may be 29%. In question 11.4, we're again saving money to buy a car. This time, however, we put our money into mutual fund shares, and the mutual fund itself uses that money to buy stocks in companies. So, indirectly, our money is being used to buy a piece of capital, a part of the companies that the shares represent. Over time, we hope, those shares will be worth more money. When we sell, and only when we sell, we'll pay taxes on the gain. Now let's get to question 11.4. We buy $23,000 worth of mutual fund shares. We imagine that these increase at 5% a year. In a more real circumstance, they might go up and down different years, but here we'll take the easy way out and let them go up at a steady 5% rate. In that case, the value of the mutual fund shares increases as follows. Now, notice that although the shares are increasing in value, we pay no taxes immediately. If, however, we were to sell our shares after 5 years, we would have a gain from $23,000 to $29,000 of about $6,000, and we would pay tax on that gain. So let's see what the gain is at each point in time. That's just the selling price of the stock minus the $23,000 that we originally paid for it. Originally, of course, there's no gain. And as we noticed before, after 5 years, we had a gain of $6,354. This gain will be taxed when we sell at 15%. So here's the tax that we would pay. 15% of the gain. And in any year, the amount of money we have to spend is the selling price of the stock minus any money we pay in taxes. Here's how much we have to spend in each year if we sell. Now all we need to do is compare this with the price of the car. The car increases at a rate of 3% per year because of inflation. After 7 years, we have $30,959 to spend, but the car costs $32,592. When can we first buy the car? Right here. At the end of 11 years, we sell our stock for $39,338, pay $24,051 in taxes, and have plenty left to buy the car.